Meanwhile, at least one member of the People's National Party's debate team is coming under fire this evening for his comments on mental health. Anthony LUGG has a story.
The former PNP spokesperson on health, Dr. Dayton Campbell, was seen as critical to the party's debate team because of his straightforwardness and his expertise on health. And he was on a roll until he made this comment on mental health.
Mental illness is no joke. It is a serious thing. The fact that 4 out of every 10 Jamaican is affected speaks to the fact that even in this very room, there are persons who are affected. Certainly not over on this side.
The remark sparked a firestorm of criticism on social media. Some felt it was inappropriate and distasteful. Others lashed out, pointing to the stigma already attached to mental illness in the country. On TVJ's post-debate show, Clive Mullings, host of Radio Jamaica's Hotline program, said the comments were unbecoming.
Is that the debate started off fairly well. At points, it really deteriorated.
It what?
Deteriorated.
Deteriorate. Why do you say that?
I speak specifically about Dr. Campbell.
Yes.
It was a low point, and he did not acquit himself well. I think that his reference to Ms. Ferron, the issue of mental illness, how that was handled poorly.
Yes.
And for me, he was very weak on the PNP side.
But the criticisms did not stop there. Mental illness advocate Jason Downer blasted Dr. Campbell and called for him to issue an apology.
The stigma is so bad that we're trying to eliminate that so that people can seek help. And you have the audacity to run a joke like that, sir? As a medical doctor? I'm asking you, please to apologize to the Jamaican people. It's not funny.
We contacted Dr. Campbell for a response. However, several calls and messages to his phone went unanswered. Anthony LUGG, TVJ News.